Hello, welcome guys to my first video on my new YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you a free version to install of Office. What we are going to do is open the browser, the Microsoft Edge in my case, or Chrome, or whatever you have on your desktop. And then you gotta type in the search bar Office LTSC download free. This side of Microsoft appears right in front of you. Gotta click on the address. Then you will see this "So Here" section. You can choose between many languages, so choose the one you're familiar with, and then right to the side there is the download button. I click on it, and then there are two different versions with two different files provided to install. I have to download this one because I have 64-bit operating system. However, you could have another operating system. So it depends. You can take a look in your settings which system you have, but in most cases it's always the 64-bit system. You could also have the 86 system. Take a look before installing something and before giving any effort to follow the steps and all that. Afterwards you just tick it and then you click that. Right after you cut up, click on that file right here. And then there appears this window. Here these are just instructions and other rules and stuff. I'm not gonna read that, but if you are interested in these rules, then you're gonna read them out to you. So click right here on continue, and then you gotta wait right here and then follow the steps right after, and it's pretty obvious, so I will not continue to explain the other things. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and you can profit out of this method. See you guys, love you.